Okay, here we are at 11860 Pierson, 3-bedroom bungalow, newer roof, new windows. Let's go in and take a look. New security door, entry door. Come right into the living room. Go down here. Bedroom number 1, nice size room. We're gonna put some carpet in this bedroom. Bathroom, new vanity, mirror, light, blinds, toilet, new glazed tub. Bedroom number 2. And we're gonna put carpet in this bedroom also. And upstairs for bedroom 3. Big upstairs, hallway. Great big bedroom up here. All the way back here and around. We're gonna carpet these steps too, so they're a little easier to walk on. Dining room, new floors, paint, new kitchen. We tried out the gray this time, I really like it. New countertop, sink, faucet. And down the basement. Get some lights when we get down here, but nice clean basement. New utility sink, faucet, PEX plumbing. Good size basement. All the way around. Nice size. Updated electrical. Breakers. And we'll carpet these steps too. That's it. 11860 Pierson. Really like this kitchen.